Hi, hello, welcome back to Homeschool. Here is your Radhika ma'am. Today we are going to discuss class 10 mathematics LBA from coordinate geometry chapter. First one in this, the coordinates of the point lying on x-axis. What is the coordinate on x-axis? On x-axis, somewhere on x-axis, x will be having a value and y coordinate is 0. Therefore, what is the coordinate? X comma 0. Option A is your right answer. Second one, the coordinates of the point lying on y-axis. On y-axis, suppose anywhere you think the point, the coordinate x will be 0 and y will be having some or the other value. That means it may be 7, minus 7, 6, 3, any value of y will be there, whereas x coordinate is 0. Right? The coordinates of the point lying on y-axis, the coordinate is 0, y. Option D is your answer. Third one, the perpendicular distance of the point A 2, 5 from y-axis is. Let me draw a Cartesian plane and mark the point 2, 5. First quadrant, right? Let us think this is 2 and this is 5. 2, 5 will lies here at this point. Your question is the perpendicular distance from y-axis. That means what is this perpendicular distance is your question. What is this distance? You need to observe in x scale. That is 2 units. Option A is your answer. Fourth one, the distance of the point 3, minus 4 from the x-axis. 3, minus 4. 3 here, it will be in fourth quadrant. Let us imagine the coordinate is at here. 3, minus 4. What is the distance from x-axis? From x-axis means this distance you need. Right? So what we need to write? Don't write minus 4 units. This is negative scale, that's it. But what is this distance? Only 4 units. Only 4 units you need to write. Don't write minus 4 units. Is this clear? Your answer is option C, 4 units. Fifth one, the coordinates of origin are. What are the coordinates of origin? Origin, x value is 0 and y value is also 0. That is C 0, 0 is your answer. Sixth one, the distance of the point P, A, B from the origin 0, 0 is. Origin distance formula we know. What is that? D is equal to square root of. What is the coordinate? A, B. That means D is equal to square root of A square plus B square. Where is your answer here? This is your answer. Option D. Seventh, the distance of the point P, x, y from the origin is. Same type of question. Whereas in before problem we have A, B. But now we have x, y. Therefore, your answer is square root of x square plus y square. Eighth one, the distance between the points A, 5, k and 1, 0 is 5 units. We need to go with the distance formula here. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Whereas we know D given what it is? 5. Square root of given coordinates, assume x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute 1 minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus k whole square. This square root, if you send this side, it will be whole square. Root if we remove, you will be applying this side whole square. 1 minus 5 is minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus k is minus k whole square. Now this one, 5 whole square is 25, minus 4 whole square, minus into minus plus, 4 fours are 16, plus minus into minus plus k square. The 16 bring this side, 25 minus 16 equal to k square. 25 minus 16 will be 9, k is equal to square root of 9 means that is plus or minus 3. K either it may be plus 3 or it is minus 3. So where is your answer? Option A, plus or minus 3. Ninth one. The coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points. Let me take a line segment here. Joining points 2, 3 and 4, 7. The coordinates of midpoint we need. What is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Given line joining coordinates, write it as x1, y1, another one x2, y2. Midpoint formula apply here. Directly I am writing 2 plus 4 by 2, 3 plus 7 by 2. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 by 2, 7 plus 3 is 10 by 2. 2 3s are 2 5s are. That means 3, 5 is the midpoint coordinate. Where it is? Option C, 3, 5 is your answer. 10th one, the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points. Same manner, take a line segment joining points minus 4, 2 and minus 2, 6. What do we need? We need midpoint. We know midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Directly I'll write here. What is midpoint? P of x, y is equal to minus 4 plus of minus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2. 2 plus 6 by 2. Minus 4 plus into minus, minus 2, right? Then I will write it as minus 4 minus 2 will be minus 6 by 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 by 2, 2 3s are 2 4s are. That means minus 3, 4 is your midpoint coordinate. Option B is your answer. 11th one. If the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining that points. Line segment joining coordinates minus 5, 9 and 8, 9. This is B. Okay. If the coordinates of the midpoint, what are the coordinates of the midpoint given? Px by 2, 4. Then the value of x is your question. We know the formula. What it is? P of x, y is equal to, this is x, y, x1, y1, x2, y2. We know the formula. x1 plus x2 by 2. That is minus 5 plus 8 by 2, 9 plus 9 by 2. Now, if you want, you can equate directly these. So, where is x? You equate these two. X by 2 is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 by 2. 2, 2 cancel. Therefore, what is your x value? X value is 3. Check for that answer. Option B, 3 is your answer. 12th one, the distance between the points ax1, y1 and bx2, y2 is. It is a direct formula. What is the distance? D equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Directly you have first option as your answer. 13. The distance of the point minus 3, 4 from origin. Origin, we know the formula. D is equal to x square, square root of x square plus y square. Let us assume this as x, y, minus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square. Minus 3 whole square is 9. 4 whole square is 16. 9 plus 16 is square root of 25. That is 5 units. What is your answer? Option C, 5 units. 14th. In the following, a point on the x-axis is on the x-axis. Let us take the Cartesian plane. On x-axis is your question. Minus 2 comma 0. Where is that? Here. Minus 2 comma 0. 0 comma 2. Here. 0 comma 2. 3 comma 3. Somewhere here 3 comma 3. D. 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. Now among all these 4 options, which is a coordinate lying on x-axis? This is lying on x-axis. That is minus 2 comma 0 is your answer. Option A is your answer. With this, we complete this chapter. In other session, we are going to meet with another chapter. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.